Guys, these things are fire. So what I want to do, guys, my theme is purple and blue. So I want to have my painter paint the face purple and keep the lip chrome. It's going to look crazy. I have my bag kit, guys. This is crazy fire. So we got the bags here. It's crazy. All the fittings and stuff. And compressor and all that stuff. Lines back here, zip ties, of course. I don't know what's in this bag. I'll open that later. But yeah, anyways, let's get to this video, guys. So I am going to be installing the Chimera intake today, and I'm going to be installing my plate frame will be in the back. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So here it is, guys. This is just the bracket pretty much. It's going to go on your wheel. It's more visible than that. I was afraid of getting pulled over for some bullshit over that, because that's not really as visible as this would be, to be honest. So this is not going anywhere. It's sturdy. I need a license plate bracket so it could look even better, but that's pretty much it right there. All right, let's get going on this install with the intake here. Get installed and get working pretty much. All right, since I do have the OEM bolts, it's just a 5 millimeter. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out as well, only because I know I'm probably gonna have to get that ECU. So let's do that. Same thing. I'm not gonna really record it. It's number 5 Allen wrench, that's all. All right, guys, took this one off. I'm gonna leave this whole kit together right here. Just gonna throw it right here. Here we have Phillips right here. We gotta take out 2 of them. And then on the other side as well. And then that's it. It literally pops off after that. Let's see if I can get this one. There it is. So pull from the bottom and then it'll come off. Remember, unplug your battery. All right, so here's a better view. All right, so you have 1 screw here, 1 screw up here that we just took out, 1 screw right here. Your IAT, I believe this is it right here. All right, fam, now on this side, you're just gonna take this one off right here. 10 right here. It is holding the airbox. So let's go ahead back to the left-hand side, the clutch lever side. And then I believe we have, okay, yeah, we have another 10 right there. Not the one up top with the blue stripe, the one at the bottom right there. I'm recording this one on my phone so you guys can see a little better. So you guys see that little green, let me see if I can focus. That little screw right here with the green right here. Gonna have to pop this off as well. And then the whole thing should fall down. We also do have that line I was talking to you about, which is right here. All right, fam, so it's out. This was kind of a pain. Do not, I repeat, do not try to go fast. I almost stripped it, almost got screwed. This is your IAT right here. You're gonna transfer it to your Chimera intake. So pretty much, you gotta loosen this little one up and then just go from the bottom and push this little top right here, the little like longer part right here. You wanna pull it up and then it'll pop right off the throttle body, which is right there. All right, iPhone's in full effect. GoPro died. I hate how fast it dies, but so when you buy the kit, you're getting the pipe, obviously, a little IAT extension, and your little tiny ass coupler that will say Chimera on it. So I don't even know if it's pronounced Chimera, but these 2 bolts right here, you gotta use these. Do not use your OEMs, just use these. So knock off your sensor real quick and then use these. Real quick, let's just knock this out. I'll snap it in, oh, there it goes. Snapped in place. Then here's your extension. That's the other one. This is going to connect to the sensor itself. We still got to pull it off. So let me pull it off. It is a Phillips on the OEM. Do not use these on your Chimera. And take the IAT off. You do not want to touch the sensor itself with your fingers. I read that it messes up somehow. So let's just get this on. I just had to fight this pretty much. If I had the GoPro still alive, I would have showed you, but it's dead. So pretty much This is the most pain in the ass right here. I left this one tight right here, and then I went ahead and kept pushing in. I left this other clamp right here loose. This one was tight. I pushed it in and then brought this whole thing up and to where I wanted it. IAT is on. I recommend you guys to put the center clip where you can actually reach it, because right now if I wanted to take it off, I'd have to probably loosen that and then move it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I put the wires behind these two wires, so it is back here for the extension. And then for my intake, I really want the band to show, so I just tightened it right there. Could have honestly went a little further down, but yeah, so that's it right there. We will start it. I just got to connect the hose. This hose right here, it's got to go on the intake, of course, which I might have to come back for that. Oh no, it's right there. I might have to clip this hose just a little bit. It's a little too long. It probably won't breathe properly if I do not clip it. So let's see what happens. I recommend you put this hose on. I did clip mine a little bit because there was like a crazy bend here. So I clipped mine a hair, just this much, maybe like a close to an inch, and slapped it back on. That's pretty much it. Other than that, that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna start it real quick, just literally real quick. I have to take my ECU out real quick and get it to DHM for tuning. All right, fam, battery is back on. Just gonna start it real quick, see what it do. Hopefully I check, okay, cool, check engine goes away. It's not writing like shit. You can definitely hear the intake. All right. Now we're taking this off, the ECU off. So, all right, guys, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, please. I'm gonna leave the bike like this. This is why I'm not doing like a riding or anything like that. My exhaust comes in next Monday, so I'm gonna tune. That's why I'm setting on my ECU. So by the time my exhaust comes in, I slap the exhaust and then I start tuning.